can hear this, but I got a crazy exhaust thing. Sounds disgusting, bro. Time to fix that. Literally just getting home right now. Alright, so as y'all can see, yeah, that happened. Luckily, I've had this for mad long. Never, I didn't run it because I didn't like how loud the car was with it. But that is a high flow cat that I've had on the car for years. Sounded really good, but I guess now we're going back to completely straight pipe. So right now we're under the car. I'm about to take apart the exhaust right now, or at least the O2 housing to the downpipe. I gotta disconnect it from there. And yeah, we're gonna see how that shit goes. But yeah, like, as you can see, she's just having a fun time. So I have like a bunch of different nuts and bolts for my exhaust because I'm always losing them because I just decide they no longer want to be connected to the car. So I have to bring out an assortment of wrenches and sockets and shit. Plus, I decided to not fully jack the car up and only did one side, so now I'm struggling. Sheesh. Look at that. Right at the weld. That sucks, bro. Like, I think that's part of the cat. You know what's crazy is that I was about to actually sell my Catless pipe that I have like last week. Thank God I didn't, because I would have been a sad, sad man right now. Alright, so Catless O2 housing going in now. Alright, the O2 housing is in right now. Gonna not really a cold start, but start the car just so I can hear what it's like fully Catless. I don't think I've had the car on video with this exhaust setup, but it's really not too crazy. I just don't like how the sound changes. But yeah, so this is what it is. As you can see, this shit blew the fuck up. Cooked. Guess where this is going? Like, another reason why I didn't like this exhaust setup was that it's not gonna happen yet, but it will soon. I'm gonna get a check engine light. I hate it, so that's why I stuck with the high flow cat for a while. But yeah, so as you can see, the AFRs are different now. If the camera can pick it up. I know it does that flickering thing, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna take it for a little drive, see how it goes. But yeah, right now I'm actually about to fabricate something up so I can route my coolant overflow, like expansion tank. I'm going to have it mounted here in a way, so that like I actually have one, because I just kind of have this hose running to the ground. So I'll show you guys what I do in a sec, but it might involve some trimming of just this portion right here, not gonna lie. All right, I just grind it down the edges so it's not sharp. A little piece of metal. This is just some like stock, like flat bar metal that I had got from like Home Depot. I had marked out the distance between the holes of where I'm going to mount it to, like center to center on each one. I am going to kind of bore it out just a little bit over from what they're supposed to be, since the heads of the bolts have like a wider head to it, you know. But then I'm also going to have another mounting hole somewhere else, because I'm not sure which way I'm going to put it. If I'm going to do it this way or if I'm going to do it this way. I believe I'm going to do it this way. And then when the expansion little overflow tank comes in, I'm going to have that be mounted up somewhere over here, and then figure out how I'm going to have it like permanently. Alright, well, as some of you have seen on my Instagram, I had this trans up for sale. Then I had it up for free. It was a first come, first served kind of thing. I got someone coming with a giant cookie, literally a cookie for a transmission. He said he's gonna manual swap it, so I was like, whatever, take it, it's yours. This is a BK1 trans, so right now I have a 2013 in mine, which is really no different from this one. The 2014 is the upgraded trans, if you guys didn't know. I believe this is our guy.
Promise anything with this one, yeah.
Good looks, bro.
Oh, shit.
Right now we mobbing. Got the IS out with Jenny, and my boy finally got his E46 back together. About to go get some halal food. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed those last little clips, you know, like little exhaust clips, flybys, stuff like that. Hopefully see some more in the next video or two, you know, some more driving content. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.